Alright guys, look at what we rented. Well, I rented it from the Home Depot tool rental. Yes, I actually went back there and rented something else, even though last time I rented something from them, I didn't have such a good experience. But this is a Elite Major wood chipper. That's a 2-inch chipper, which will do what we need it to do. Yeah, I haven't really tried it out yet. They did start it up at the rental to make sure that it run good. So yeah, but I haven't really tried it out yet. So I'm gonna get it started up and I'm gonna try it out. Alright guys, this little wood chipper is not really working out too well, so I'm taking it back to the Home Depot and I'm exchanging for their big one for their tow behind. Alright, so yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Well, went and got the other chipper I exchanged for it, and yeah, this thing is gonna be a beast. Yep. I'm gonna start it up and I'm gonna get it running. I gotta return the machine. This thing was a beast. Yep. So anyways, I'm sorry I couldn't get much video with this machine, but we were actually behind. Me and my brother-in-law, we were behind on the job. So yeah. So I couldn't do much videoing, but I will say it really went through those limbs, you know. I'm just having to turn around. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, subscribe. Have a nice day.